Hello everyone. Hope you are doing fine and following lockdown rules seriously and strictly. So during this period, we, your teachers, are working to help you in possible way. Our principal has taken initiative to start virtual classes for your betterment and no time wastage. You are advised to attend these classes regularly and don't compromise your studies in this hard time. Stay calm and positive. Don't panic. This too shall pass. Let's begin with articles. First, we see the definition of articles. Articles are used before nouns to limit or define their uses in the context of the sentence. From this definition, one thing becomes clear that articles are always used before noun. Articles are of two types: indefinite articles a and n, which are used in the sense of one and any, and the is the definite article and it is used in the sense of this and that. In previous classes, you have already learned it. But the mistakes which are committed by us between the use of a and n, they are always used before a singular noun, but we have to know some rules before using them. The choice between a and n is determined primarily by sound and letter. The first sound and the first letter of the noun is very important. It decides whether a or n is used. A is used before a word beginning with consonant. For example, a book. Here, book, which is a noun, and it starts with the letter B, which is consonant, and that is why a is used. The second rule says that a is used before a word beginning with a vowel giving the sound of a consonant. This example makes it clear. A, European. European starts with the letter E, which is vowel, but it produces the sound of a consonant Y, European, and that is why A is used here. The rules related to the use of N. N is used before a word beginning with a vowel. For example, an apple, an umbrella. In both the cases, the first letter of the nouns is A and U. It is used before a word beginning with H producing vowel sound. For example, an hour. Here, the sound of H is silent, and that is why N is used. N is used before a word beginning with a consonant pronounced with the sound of a vowel. For example, NFIR. Here, F, the word letter is consonant, but the first sound is vowel, that is A, and that is why N is used. On the use of definite article, see, when we talk of a particular person or a thing, as already mentioned, known or under discussion, for example, the book which you mentioned is not available in the market. We are talking about the book that you have already mentioned or already said to me, and that book is not available in the market. The pen which you gave me has lost. In this sentence, we are talking about the pen that is given by you to me. Before proper noun, and there are some other uses of definite article. The is used before proper nouns when they refer to the name of historical buildings, mountain ranges, planets, rivers, oceans, etc. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Himalayas,
the sun, the Indian Ocean.
Students, these were some basic rules of articles. In the next lecture, we will study voices. Till then, study hard and take care of yourself. I am Sanjana Gadgil. Thank you.